Drittes Obergeschoss.
And here we are in the room. This is the NH Collection Hotel at Altmarkt. Now we didn't choose a room with a view, but we have been into a room with a view, so we only have the view for the hall, for the, what can we say? Yeah. But view is not so important when you're here to actually enjoy the city. Then we have here, we have a small kitchenette, a few drawers, fridge, not the cleanest fridge in the world. But this is clean though. For some reason we have a, how do I open that? Oh, there. Oh. A microwave. We have a bottle of water, only one though. Some eating utensils. A nice breakfast table here. Very nice coffee machine. A few deals of coffee. I've already made a cup of coffee, so I could have it for this little tour. With this. I love coffee. And then we have the beds, 2 single beds. Looks clean, nice. The mattress test. It's a hard mattress, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, you can sleep good here if you want. And this little chair here. Well, little room here. One more little fridge. Also turned on. Safe. I think you have to pay for it. No, it's open. And a full length mirror. Big television. So, yeah, it's a nice room. I actually like this hotel. It has some good qualities. Now, one thing they do here in this hotel is that they give you in the option if you want to be more sustainable. Their way of doing this is that if you place this thing on your door, there will not be cleaning of your room as long as this is standing there. But you will then get a voucher for a small drink, small beer, small glass of wine, something like that, Coke, in the hotel bar here, if you like. So, and they also gave me a map, which is nice. both a bigger and a smaller lamp. So that's good. And else, there's a phone. There's a lamp here. I don't know if it works though. I don't know how you turn it on. Where do you turn this? Oh, here. Works. And here. But these don't work. Okay. Is it plugged in? Should always check. It is plugged in, but not working. Yeah, that's the room. Let's check the cupboards that they have. Shoe cleaning cloth you can have, and if you have laundry, something for you, and this is for your bag if you want anything on here. But it's quite spacious. What I do like though is that they don't have branding on their on the hangers, but they do hang a bag, which is a little funny, I think. So the size of the TV is fairly big. I think actually it's 32 or 40 inches, approximately there. But let's go to the bathroom now. Let's see. So what do we have in here? It's always interesting with bathrooms, isn't it? So this is a little old. So it's a tub. Looks fairly clean though. And a shower. So you have to step up. There is a sink. Nice sink. Some towels. Plenty of towels out here. More towels down there. Towels up here. Towels everywhere. Mirror, shaving mirror. A good size mirror. And the toilet. Some toilet paper. So as I said, I really like this hotel. It's nice. The room is nice and quiet. It has a certain sort of charm. We will now show you the view from the room with the views that we did. This will come right now while I'm talking. And as you can see there, that's the view of the church. And as I promised you, this is the view from the room with the church. This is Kreuzkirchen, just in the middle of Dresden. So this was the room tour of the hotel, and in a little while you will be guided around the other places in the hotel and see what amenities there is here. We want to take you down to the breakfast tomorrow morning also, and we will also give you a review of how the night had gone. That's the complete video. So that was our 2 nights stay here in Dresden. The hotel here in our Collection Hotel in Dresden Altmarkt was a very beautiful hotel. The shower was lovely, water pressure and the heat of the water was good. The beds were nice and firm and clean. And the lamp, as you can see in my room, I didn't say it worked, but it actually works. We found the switch. So that's it. And breakfast here was super good. You can see some pictures of that as well, or have seen some pictures of that as well. And I want to say that I paid for 2 nights 240 euros, and they the breakfast was included in that. So all in all, and it was for 2 people, right? So 2 people stayed here, and all in all, that I find is a good price for it. Of course, you have to order a little in advance to get the specialty. That's what I want to say. The stars of I want to give this around about 5 stars. I think it's a really good hotel. It has some facilities to it. There's a little spa. It's not big, but there is a little spa. There is a little the breakfast area was good. The breakfast was really varied and not. It was continental breakfast, which is normal, but it was not the big. There was some varieties which I liked. And then you have in our room here the little kitchenette area where there's free coffee and tea, and complimentary, and the bottle of water was also complimentary. I think all in all, it's good value for money here. And now that's the end of this video. Please subscribe, comment, share. So if you like our content and if you are reaching the end of this video, please like it, give a thumbs up to it, leave a comment below. And if you like our stuff and our way of doing stuff, then please subscribe. It will make our videos pop up for you as when they come out. Stay curious, stay kind, keep exploring.